The history of Semipalatinsk State Medical Institute started on September 1st, 1953, when medical faculty was opened and the first group of 320 students was accepted. The young institute began its work in two-storied buildings, today's morphology, physics and chemistry departments, in which different chairs, institute administration, library and reading room were located. For these years, more than 20,000 of medical specialists were trained by our institution. Among them are prominent politicians, senators, academicians, rectors of higher medical institutions, famous personalities, leaders of regional health departments, and many others. Within the period of time the teaching process was mastered, the institute became academy and in 2009 gained the status of the university.
Миссией нашего университета является
The mission of our university is to prepare a highly professional doctor with brilliant theoretic knowledge, good practical skills, real patriot and good citizen. Our main ambition is to become one of the leading world-class universities by 2020. The university accepted international three-step system of higher education. Teaching in Kazakh, Russian and English languages is provided on the following specialties: medical doctor, pediatrician, dentist, hygiene specialist, pharmacist, medical nurse, specialist in public health and in general medicine. I like to study in the university. Here we get highly qualified knowledge. After graduation from the university, I would like to be enrolled by the state program with diploma to the village and work in a rural setting. My name is Muslim Abbas. I came from Pakistan. Here there are many students from Pakistan and India. Every year about 50 of us graduate from the university. When we return with diplomas to our homes, we pass the exams successfully and establish successful medical practice. Graduates willing to dedicate themselves to scientific and educational career are enrolled into residency, mastership and doctorship teaching programs. Now they have an opportunity for an attachment in the home country of their foreign scientific supervisors. Within the last period of time, the shape and contents of educational process were changed. Modern innovating teaching approaches were introduced and are constantly improving. Infrastructure of the university is presented by all the necessary technical, laboratory, IT and library resources that allow us to provide the high level of teaching. The university has its own medical center, the multidisciplinary hospital for 530 beds, of which 320 are adult and 210 are pediatric beds. The consultative outpatient department for 250 day visits. The Teaching Resource Center with internet access to Cochrane Library was opened. Beginning 2008, we acquired the equipment for 5 teaching laboratories: physiological, morphological, biochemical, hygienic and microbiological, which we utilize in scientific and teaching purposes. The university has training center, 3 simulation boards on the base of which the students of all courses master their practical skills on the mannequins, plastic casts and models. There is a possibility to model different clinical situations. Access to the internet is provided by high-speed internet channel for all the students and the faculties for free by means of wireless Wi-Fi technology. Study rooms are supplied by multimedia stations. The university's research is mainly devoted to the scientific approaches to rehabilitation of population living in the area of the former Semipalatinsk nuclear test site. 9 research programs are being currently implemented. One of the important indicators of the faculty's research activity is a growing number of patent rights. As a matter of international collaboration, seminars and master classes of Japanese, Singapore and Russian professors are regularly conducted. Foreign attachments are actively practiced. Different types of moral and material motivation are applied to the faculty members for the high-quality activities. In 2010, the Kazakhstan Republic ratified the Bologna Convention and the university officially signed the Bologna Declaration. The main pride of the university are students. Talented, keen, purposeful, they annually win the awards, take part in scientific conferences, professional competitions and Olympics. The personal alumni grants and the grants of medical establishments were introduced together with assignment employment. The Studentship Rectors Board was created. Its members become an active participants of the University Scientific Council. Mentors activities are provided by the Mentors Council, Council of Parents and Council of Aldermans. To improve the health state and contribute to the physical development of the students and the faculty, 26 groups in 13 different types of sports are functioning. We have sports ground, skiing ground and fitness room. The percentage of students employed after the graduation from the university is routinely high, and the annual vacancy fair is being regular. University has 3 hostels of its own available for local and foreign students. The institution successfully passed the National Institutional Accreditation, and the head expert of World Federation of Medical Education, Professor Leif Christensen, underlined that the university follows the international standards in 3 criteria: clinical preparation of the students, student support and introduction of innovative technologies into education. The important event from the university's history was the visit of the President of the Kazakhstan Republic, Nursultan Nazarbayev, in June 2007, who highly esteemed the activities of the university and pointed out at its achievements. This is the best medical educational establishment in Kazakhstan nowadays, and I follow its growth. Embodying the wishes of the President of Kazakhstan, the university strives to become one of the best universities of the world.